Hello guys, to another video today. Today I'm going to play MM2 from this game. It's called MM2, like Madam Street. Woo! Oh. No, guys, check out this. See? Bruh. My level is already 68. It's so really fast. Hello? Is my name really Prosper? Hello? Hey. LOL! Someone died with the sheriff died.
Diyan sa grupong Hezbollah ng Lebanon habang aliado naman ng Amerika itong Israel. So sa pinirmahang peace agreement ng Amerika at ng Iran ay wala nang anumang
Nilagas yung Israel.
at kasama
LOL.
na ang Israel at ang Lebanon.
But not again. I just use it.
US President Donald Trump sinabi niya sa kanyang social na kung hindi
No social media.
ilan na dapat ng Iran ang kanyang pagbabayad sa kanilang proxy. At Gerard, dahil dyan ay papaano ulit ang magiging presyo ng produktong petrolyo.
No!
Inaasahan tayo malaki na rollback.
Bruh, dang it. I need to grab my sheriff. I almost grabbed the sheriff, bro. Why is there so many people? You know what? Let me just trade someone. Let's give me something good, or else this and this. Please something good. Please something good. Okay.
So, sabi ni Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, sa ngayon hindi ko masasabi
Sure.
epekto nitong bagong development sa presyohan natin ng langis para para malaman, kailangan natin ng scientists para makita natin
No.
epekto talaga ito. Pero,
Scammer! No!
medyo nakakabahala ito nangyari ito. Pagyan natin ang kanyang pakiyaw.
No. Scammer! Dang it, I'm not gonna just trade again. That was scam again. But this time it's right here. Angel. She was an angel. Please, Dora, Explorer. Please, I need this. My mom is kinda homeless. I need please trade. Okay, can you please give me my knife back? Please, give me my knife back. Oh, never mind. That was fun. I thought it could take it. It was fun. It was so dumb. I'm so dumb. To take it. Wait a minute. You should have died.
Babae pa lang natamaan. No? Babae pa lang natamaan.
Tayo dalawa.
Or that I may hide real quick. Wow! No way! Please! No! That was so close! Not again. There we go. Bro! Bro, I need
Ako na
it.
naman ang taong kanyang pinikulang yan.
Please. Please. Please trade. Please trade. Trade me. Trade me now. I said trade me now. Let's go. Not, I'm gonna get revenge. On my Jesus name. Gotcha. Where are you? What? Let me smell someone. Oh, I smell it. 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 It's really bad. A really bad smell. I think I found it. Oh my god. Wait.
Gusto talaga namin is
I know.
Lisensya kung talaga yung naturang picture na yun. Nakakalala
Is she
sila
here?
ng mga ganong pang-aabuso. Tapos natatakot sila.
Where is she? Bro.
Nakipag-ugnayan na raw ang Child Protection Committee ng school sa mga magulang at mismo estudyante. Sinuspindi na rin muna ang guro habang tinutulong sa investigasyon. Kanina, kinausap
What?
ng mismo school
Shut it.
principal ng estudyante at mga magulang. Dito inilatag ang Safe School Reporting
No
System
one is outside.
para malaman ng paaralan sakaling may iba pang mga nabiktima ng karahasan mula sa kanilang mga guro. Mananatili raw itong
But that's the
ligtas at
share it,
confidential. Dahil sa insidente, hindi na naiwasan mga tao.
Siyempre, nakakatakot po yung sa ngayong panahon po yung nangyayari po is nakakatakot po sa aming mga magulang. Hindi na po safety sa mga anak namin yung nangyayari.
Sinusubukan ng News 5 na makuha ang panig ng mga gurong pinangalangan online pero wala pa silang tutuon at nag-deactivate na rin ang social media accounts. Maging ang pamunuan ng paaralan, tumanggi rin muna ng magsalita sa harap ng kamera. Pero sa isang pahayag, sinabi ng PNHSP
What?
na nakikisa sila sa pagsugpo sa anumang uri ng karahasan sa loob at labas ng campus. Nanatili rin daw nilang prioridad ang
Come out!
at kapakanan ng mga
Come out!
siniguro rin ng
Get out of there!
ang sino ang makatumayang lumabag sa umigilaw ng batas at polisiya ng DepEd. Sa kabila nito,
Woo!
napapaalala rin ng paaralan sa kanilang online harassment, cyberbullying,
Okay, that's it guys. See you in the next video.